The BRAZAN trial is for patients who have just been diagnosed with mantle cell lymphoma or have not had any treatment for it yet. Typically, treatment for mantle cell lymphoma starts with chemotherapy to reduce the cancer, followed by ongoing treatment to help keep the cancer from coming back. We call this ongoing treatment maintenance. In this study, we investigate adding new targeted medications to both the initial and maintenance treatments. Participants will take a pill called zanubrutinib during both phases of treatment. Zanubrutinib works by blocking a protein that helps mantle cell lymphoma survive. It is already a standard treatment for mantle cell lymphoma that has come back after other treatment. We are investigating if it is safe and effective to add zanubrutinib to standard chemotherapy as a first treatment for patients with mantle cell lymphoma. During the ongoing treatment phase or maintenance phase, some participants will also take another pill called sonrotoclax, which blocks a different protein that lymphoma cells need to live. Our goal is to see if including these targeted pill medications can keep the lymphoma away for a longer time than current treatments do. If you think this clinical trial might be suitable for you or someone you know, we would be happy to meet with you in our clinic and provide more information. Thank you.